This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Before taking any action based on the information provided on this channel, it is recommended that you seek the advice of a professional licensed financial advisor.
Let's do this.
Guys, just jumping in here on the charts for a quick mobile update. It looks like the initial breakdown here has completed its 4 and done its breakup. And this is that breakup right here zoomed in. So you can see that the breakup didn't last long. It's up here, down there, up there, misses that one, and it's come down and hit. So we might get a little bounce here before we go down. And this is backed by the Ichimoku cloud as well. Because if you zoom out to something like the 7 hour here and activate the cloud, you can see this space opening up here. This is what pulled these candles down in it. And now it went up and it hit the top, and now it's going to go down and hit the bottom. And this down and hit the bottom is the breakout that you see on the 15 minute, or sorry, the breakdown you see on the 15 minute. On the 1 hour, while the green has crossed the red, there's not a lot of space here. So it's pulling this back down towards the cloud, and that will give us our breakdown. What this is probably trying to do is to create a new parameter for the bigger wedge. So if we move these down, it'll probably end up being something like we got our 1, our 2, our 3, and then our 4, which will probably be the beginning of us breaking out of the red here. And that red on the larger time frames, like the daily, is right here. This is the second biggest wedge that's within the outer wedge. So we've created some, support here on this line so that these candles are hovering above it. And then you can see that they're going up and meeting this line here, 1, 2, and it missed this one. So we're looking at it coming down through this green channel, breaking out of the red, and working its way down to the yellow, and breaking out of the yellow. And then here on the 30-minute chart, you can see how much lower the red line is on the Ichimoku cloud, so it's going to pull these candles back down into the red and possibly through it. If we go to look at the Bollinger Bands, the black is the Bollinger Band area, and you can see that we broke out here of the Bollinger Bands at the top, and we're going to have now a correction going down to the bottom down here, so it'll probably be something like this. And then when it gets thin, that's when you should see your next big move, because this got really thin here and then it popped down. So I'd imagine you're going to see that, the Bollinger Bands do something like this. The candles are going to work their way down, and then once this gets skinny, you'll see the breakdown heading towards the red line. That's all I've got for now. It's probably going to be it for the day. I don't really see anything major happening and evolving into the early evening. And then I've got plans tonight, so I probably won't be back on here unless there's some crazy meltdown or something along those lines. So, till tomorrow, thank you for watching. Follow me on all the platforms you can see in the description, and have a great night.